beauties, welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are staying safe out there and protecting yourselves and others. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Annette. I'm glad you stopped by. So I'm coming to you with a review. This has been around for a while. I guess they might have revamped it. I'm not sure. This is my first time actually purchasing one of these wigs by Outre by the name of Neesha. So this is Outre or Outre Neesha, and it's soft and natural lace front wig. Neesha 203, that's the style. And I have it in the color DRFF2/cinnamon spice. And I love me some spices. This is made and supposed to be pre-plucked with Swiss lace, and it's supposed to be heat resistant fiber up to 400 degrees. Natural texture and volume. So let me go ahead and show you that. And here is the back. Now they do have other ones in this line. So this is Neesha 203. They have Neesha 201 and Neesha 202. So that's what it's showing in here. Now I believe I purchased this from Glamorous.com. Ordinarily I would get something like this in a matter of a couple days, but it took a long time to get this. It took me about almost, I want to say about 2 weeks. So it took me a while to receive these wigs on my purchases. I had this wig for a while now, over a little over a month. Just haven't got around to doing it. I have a lot of hair to get to. I'm pretty much backed up with reviews, so I'm trying to get these out as soon as I can without putting too much stress on myself. Now, I absolutely love this colorway. It feels super soft. This might be the softest wig with this texture that I've had so far. I didn't use any kind of adhesive to put this on, so I can just lift this up. As you can see, you really don't need it, and that's perfect for right now. Who wants to be fussing when they're in the house with their children, want to literally pull their own hair out? So this is a great unit to look cute while you're in the house, or if you have to do video chat for work or whatever. This is a cute unit just to throw on. It's very natural looking. The colorway is very natural looking, and this is a perfect time if you're working from home to experiment with colors. I mean, why not now? You're in the house anyways, right? So yeah, this unit is super gorgeous, very full, surprisingly. Sometimes you get a unit and it's full just at the back, and the front looks like what's going on, but this is really made well. This is a center part, so you only get parting right here down the center, and I want to say it's about 4 inches, maybe 4 to 5 inches of parting down the center. It's a fixed part, so you can't really, unless you want to just twist the wig around, then you can do that. And it's nicely layered. As far as the hairline, this is what the hairline is looking like. It says pre-plucked, but I mean, you could probably go in a little more. Just a little ear flap here, but other than that, this is staying down. So let me give you a close-up, and then my pros and cons, and my 360. So as you can see, it looks nice and lustrous up here. It's super natural looking, very natural looking. Now I do have a cap on. I could have went ahead and put on some powder, but I wanted to show you guys what the wig looks like on my head without putting anything into the parting. The knots are not that noticeable. The ear flaps do stop here. Normally Outre's wigs, they do tend to stop a little short on me, but I mean, for the most part, it's good. Now the colorway is colored throughout, so you have ombre effect throughout the whole unit. Super believable. When I first received this wig, when I first got it out the package, it did have a little slight hump here. I just used some water, and I took a flat iron to it and just pressed it out a little bit. And as you can see, it lays flat. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you that 360, so obviously the front. I want to say this is about 18 inches. As far as shedding, I did get a little shedding just now. What it appears to be from when I cut the lace. So I did get a little shedding. And it is a yaki unit. Yaki units and curly units tend to shed anyways. I think with proper maintenance and care, this could last a long time. This is a pretty snug cap. So you want to get your braids down or wrap your hair down as flat as possible. It is a little snug, not too bad, but it is snug. As you see, the air tab stopped a little short on me, and it will need a little bit more plucking, loving care. So, I mean, that's the only cons. The pros are it looks super natural. The colorway is gorgeous. The parting is perfect. It looks really natural, and it's nice and full. It's pretty much a fuss-free wig. So I'll leave all information down below if you guys want to check it out, and if you have any comments, leave that down down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. So I hope you guys like this unit. And if you haven't or you're looking for something that's fuss free, I would definitely recommend this unit. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And until my next one, please stay safe and stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time. Bye.